Hey guys, Chris at Systainer Systems. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about the new tool bag. Pretty awesome open top tool bag. Lots of different options inside. We've got removable panels actually, so you can have up to 4 panels in here. There are different types of panels with different numbers of pockets for different tools. In the front here, we've got a zipper pocket that opens so you can keep all kinds of small items in there. As we look at the other side here, this is pretty interesting. We've got hard plastic backing here. So for example, if I had a chisel or other sharp object, I can stick that down in the left or the right. As we flip around to the other side, we also have a rather large pocket here. Stick something like a speed square in there, an elastic material here for pencils. And then inside I've got a lot of different types of hand tools, everything from hammers, mallets, to different types of pliers. You can even stick smaller power tools. They fit into the pouches quite nicely. One of the great things about this is it integrates perfectly with the Systainer. So I've got a Systainer sitting here. I can simply set this right on top. It locks into place, and now these are connected. This means it could go on top of a dust extractor, it could go on top of a cart, and it also has the integrated slide at the side so that it will also store in the bot racking system as well. Check it out, and yeah, thanks for watching.